Tangsalo IT Bhavano Smart Training Center ni Duglam no Phiyogwi Rwkha Hasteni Mantri okra Dr.Manik Saha Manjaka Hasteni Rang Mantri Pronojit Singh Roy Hasteni Chief Secretary J.K. Singha Akosong
Tangsalo Phiyogwi Rwkha IT Bhavano Sanamjak Smart Training Center ni Duglam Smart Training Center ni Duglam no Phiyogwi Rwkha Hasteni Mantri okra Dr.Manik Saha Pandawo Mantri okra Dr.Manik Saha no Karoibo Manjaka Hasteni Rang Mantri Pronojit Singh Roy Hasteni Chief Secretary J.K. Singha Akosong Ketalkhe Sanamjak Smart Training Center o Bebagoi Khorang Dokti Officer Training na Harui Mannai Pandawo kok Shanani Thangoi Hasteni Mantri okra Dr.Manik Saha Shakha Ha Kotorni Mantri Digital India ni kok Shamani Phiyaba Haste Digital Ongkhesi Ha Kotorbo Digital Ongoi Manai Hunoi
And thankful to this IT department who have invited me to come here, and we are really by passing times. Our government is going to be smart enough, and everywhere the smart city, then smart training center have been inaugurated by us, and the reason for which already our respected CSR and Honorable Minister already have ventilated their views, and I am very glad that we have already decided that all the work should be paperless in government of Tripura, and in these directions we are going ahead, and by the grace or by the direction of our Honorable Prime Minister, he wanted to do so, and accordingly we are making it. And by the help of this IT department and their all the staff, really it is appreciable. And what I have seen here is video conference system, digital podium, then interactive display panel, including OPS, open pluggable system, then display panel come laptop with wireless keyboard for hands-on training. So these are the parameters for becoming a smart training center, really essential. So these are all here, and then sound amplifier and speakers, wireless conference system, delegate system and controller, then wireless conference system delegate unit, then wireless conference system chairman unit, then wireless conference system battery charger, wireless conference system AP transmitter, all in one desktop, soundproof acoustic system, etc. What we have observed here. And the main motto, what I have said earlier, that to transform the state government into a paperless office, to enhance transparency, to track files and their status will be known to all of us at a time. Then increase accountability, quality and speed of decision making is easier to monitor. Already regarding this, our Principal Secretary Puniji already have mentioned about it. Then assure data security and data integrity, provide a platform for reinventing and re-engineering the government, utilizing saved energy and time towards productive purpose, and promote greater collaboration in the workplace and effective knowledge management. So this e-office and digitalization, what we have, every time we say in our speech everywhere, that government is going to make it, and by the end of this year, I mean before or within December of this year, all the government department will be come under these training programs, and what our CSR already have said, that it should be implemented at district level, at sub-divisional level, and then today the inauguration would be only successful. And I'm sure that whatever our government and our officers, whatever they decide by our directions, it is wonderful, and I always appreciate. And I think this really, and what our Honorable Minister said, is a historical one, that this kind of e-class we have made here. Here the seminar, here the training, then other things also can be accomplished here, and people from not the government employees also, some other the persons who are involved in delivery system, this association, even there are seminars, they also can come here. You can take, already I have mentioned, that with bigger amount, they can book this office, this training center, and I think it's a wonderful one. My dear, whoever present here, particularly these reporters and media person, you must show to the people of the Tripura, not in Tripura, in other part of the country, that we have already started this kind of training center, and I think it will be appreciated across the country, across Tripura of course, and across the country also. And with this, I will conclude my speech, and I hope this will be a grand success in future, this training center, and all the best. Thank you very much.
Raja Khoraguli Nishimi Pranab Nikokthum Chini Khorang.